Just a quick one. Good evening, everyone. We are here again. Some students have requested that we start L2 revision, and from this evening we'll be starting up L2. What do we mean by L2? We are talking about students that are learning Igbo as a second language. Some of them are in federal unity schools. Some of them are in private schools. They also sit for it in Bese as L2. So from today, we are starting. So invite your friends, invite your classmates. Let them know that in this revision platform, we also have a space for Igbo L2 students, those that are learning Igbo as a second language. I remain Mrs. Amogo. Ndewo.